Hey there! Today, we're diving into the world of VLANs, virtual local area networks. If you've ever wanted to separate network traffic without changing the physical layout, VLANs are your solution. They let you create distinct broadcast domains within the same physical switch, which is great for organizing traffic, improving performance, and boosting security. With VLANs, different departments or user groups can stay logically isolated even while sharing the same hardware. Picture a large office building with dozens or even hundreds of employees. All their computers are connected to the same physical network, like wires in the walls or wireless routers. Without any organization, this is just one big noisy party line where everyone can hear everything. That's not great for privacy, performance, or security. Enter the VLAN. A VLAN, or Virtual Local Area Network, is like putting up invisible walls inside that office building. Even though everyone is plugged into the same physical hardware, a VLAN lets you split the network into separate groups, like putting the HR team, finance, and IT into their own digital rooms. They can talk freely within their group, but not with others, unless you explicitly allow it. Now here's where it gets a bit tricky. VLANs and subnets sound similar because they both break up networks into smaller parts. But there's a key difference. Subnetting happens at the IP level. It organizes devices based on their IP addresses and often spans across multiple switches connected through routers. VLANs operate at the data link layer, layer 2, and use switch configurations to separate traffic. A single layer 3 switch can support multiple VLANs, allowing segmentation without additional physical devices. Here's another difference. Subnets require routing to enable communication between different IP ranges, typically involving multiple switches and routers. VLANs can achieve similar segmentation within one layer 3 switch by logically separating ports into different broadcast domains. This setup simplifies network management and enhances performance by reducing unnecessary traffic. And yes, VLANs often do align with subnets. For example, the HR VLAN might be assigned its own subnet, but that's more about good design than technical requirement. You could, in theory, have multiple VLANs in the same subnet, but it's not common because it gets messy fast. VLANs are super useful for improving security and reducing network congestion. If someone in marketing downloads a giant file, that traffic won't slow down engineering's connection if they're in different VLANs. Plus, if a device in one VLAN gets compromised, it's harder for an attacker to jump over to another VLAN without extra permissions. Together, VLANs and subnets are powerful tools for keeping networks organized, secure, and efficient. Understanding how they differ and work together is a big step forward in your networking journey. We also have a whole playlist of videos covering networking concepts, including training that aligns with the CompTIA Network Plus certification. Be sure to check it out if you're ready to go deeper. Give us a like and hit subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Catch you next time!